Hi, this is Eric Magalhães for Cloud Academy and welcome to the Enterprise Fundamentals for AWS. During this lecture, we will talk about the course itself, so I will briefly discuss the prerequisites, audience, scope, and learning objectives of this course. So in order to understand what I am going to show you in this course, you need to have a general IT background. By general, I mean that you need to be familiar with some general networking terms, server terms, virtualization, and so on. And it's mandatory that you have some AWS knowledge because we are going to talk about networking on AWS in here and especially a service called directory service. You must know what directory service is. You must understand this service. So if you don't have this knowledge, I suggest that you step back and take a look at these courses, the Technical Fundamentals for AWS, Compute Fundamentals for AWS, Networking Fundamentals for AWS, and most important, Security Fundamentals for AWS, because in this course we are going to talk about directory service. So the audience for this course are mostly systems engineers and Windows administrators, but anyone getting started with AWS and curious about these enterprise applications will be welcome to this course if you have the needed prerequisites. So the scope, basically we are going to talk about the enterprise applications, and these enterprise applications includes workspaces, work docs, and work mail. And after this course, I expect that you will be able to describe all these three services and know how to integrate them with your on-premises network. And talking about on-premises, I have created this GitHub repository. You can see here I have only 3 files. It's very simple and it will be useful for the last lecture of this course where we are going to integrate our enterprise applications with an on-premises network. So be aware of this repository if you want to follow the examples of that lecture.